I'm here getting loaded round 2 of these Chillicothe, Ohio loads. So hopefully they don't drag me out till 12 o'clock tonight again.
But first, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. It helps us out more than you know.
Hey. Nah, just making sure we're still good for today. 3:30? Okay.
All right, I am getting 3 of these units. This one is the first one. 3/8 chains. 3/8 half-inch ratchet binder. Nice, easy. They are bringing out the other one right now as we speak. For 2 unit. I do not like it when they're this close together. Literally. So what I did was, you can see on this chain, I pulled the front one this away on both sides, and on this back one I'm pulling back. So if these do move, this one will slide this way a little, and that one will slide that way a little. I have seen people do these to where they pull in and these have touched. These units are probably 50, 60 grand a piece, these smaller ones. So we don't want any issues. I'm getting one more, and I've done 4 of these. I don't like doing 4, but the last one I'm gonna have him put a little bit more space in between there. So you can see this last one is one 20-foot chain going around, and it loops around to the other side. Like I said, I'm pulling this unit back. It's little things like that. This weather here in Texas is crazy. I did get this second one on. The last time I was here it was like 17 degrees. It's crazy because I went camping this last weekend, and the guy that's over all this hit me up on Saturday asking me if I wanted to take these back to Chillicothe. So these did not get finished that last day of the month in January, so they're shipping them out today. I show up again and they got 3 more people in training. You know, it is what it is. But I've been coming here so long. Sorry, I'm gonna get out of the sun. I've been coming here so long that the lady over shipping, I helped her put these on my trailer the first time she lifted these. And these could be awkward to lift. You can see the forks go right through there, so when they go up they kind of teeter. And the tall ones, I think I'm getting one tall one. The tall ones are 10'7" tall. So if it's the wind's blowing, I've unloaded these in storms. I've driven these through dust storms and potential tornadoes. Yeah, I'm gonna get this third one strapped, and then I'm gonna run home. It is a little later today. I don't like running late at night. I mean, I will, I've done it, but I'd rather start early. That way when I'm out there on the road, I'm starting early, because if I drive till 12 at night, I'm not gonna be able to start till 10 a.m. So I'd rather just, no matter what, even if I left today, they wouldn't get there tomorrow. But if I leave in the morning, they'll get there Wednesday, probably around 10 or 12.
Alright, the last one is on my trailer. Get this thing strapped down, man. I'm hungry.
You can see it's the tall ones, 2 shorts and a tall. So same thing. This one I'm gonna pull backwards. It's gonna ride pretty good though. Yeah, let's get this strap down. And man, like I said, I'm starving. All right, I'm stopped for the night. I will wake up early and finish running these. Okay. Let's stop a little load check right now. Oh, 6:30 in the morning. I got up 4:30. I am gonna be on site at 1 o'clock. Last night I made sure I drove to where I had 8 hours or less the next day. That way I wouldn't have to stop and take a 30-minute break. I'll take my break there. But I froze last night, man. I was so cold. I did not start my generator. I stopped, it was 50 degrees. It got like to 28 last night. And I was cold. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that again. It wasn't me being lazy, it was just, you know, I sleep good when it's cold, but that was a little too cold. All right, I'm here. You can see right over there, that truck, that red one. That red one, that yellow one. That's what these are. These are fuel tanks that mount right behind the cabs. Pretty cool. Some food. Nice little steak bowl. Steak and grilled chicken with Moe's. Looks pretty good. Man, I just got a shower. I feel great now. So, got my heater and everything set up in my truck. So, I'm gonna jump in my rack. I got a load booked for the morning, and it's going back to Texas. Like $2.10 a mile. Nothing really good, but it keeps me moving. I dropped off a little later today, so it was 2:30 when I got on site. So by the time I was done, it was 3, and it's kind of hard to get, you know, loaded at 3 p.m. Looks so small.
So I'm almost here to this job site. Well, not a job site, this business center. And I'm picking up from Fairfield, Ohio. It's a load going to Texas. It is right on the route, same route as going to my house, basically. I think it's like tools going to another job, like a job site, or I don't know. I'll find out. But I missed my turn, so now I gotta find a way to turn around. Alright. Once again, they told me to back up to door 7. I'm not dock height. I had to go all the way back over there. Now they want me to back up to the ramp or back beside it, so it's 22 degrees, man. It's cold. I like the cold, but my generator shut off last night, and it's like I've been having a hard time warming up today. I froze last night. I was so cold I didn't want to wake up and mess with it. That's what it is. I hate doing loads like this. It's just a bunch of miscellaneous pallets. Man, these roads are garbage here. What the? I mean, look at this. It's terrible, man. But we got the trucks booked. Got Robert a load. One of our customers got Mike booked. I feel bad for him because he's going to the island on New York. Not ideal, but he's making probably $3.50 a mile running there, which it's still, but you know. Stop for a little load check. Check that out. That's cool. Everything feels good. Nothing's really moved. Well, they got a checkpoint and I'm getting level 1.
Turn all your lights on if you're driving at night. We'll start.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll do the ones in the back.
Got this dude right here driving a semi.
Didn't even do, you could tell, probably didn't even do a pre-trip. This got level 1. And I passed. This guy over here in this semi, he's got 2 flat tires. Totally different, not even side by side. It's crazy, man. First thing I did before I left today was kick my tires. And I have a flat one and a low tire. But I just got my trailer registered in Maine. The DOT guy come back and said, so I was in this folder and I don't have your registration and your plate's coming back, it's not tied to anything. And I showed him, I was like, it's right here, it's brand new, it's not even a month old. My trailer's, that's the registration for 5 years. And he said, okay, that explains why it's not coming back. And I said, yes sir. So man, you know, it's a lot that we have to do to keep these things on the road and legal, but at the same time, it's rewarding when you see things like that. You know, and I don't mean it bad. But he level 1'd me. He checked my my trailer brakes, my fire extinguishers, triangles, all my lights, windshield wipers, my horn, all the way around. He checked the securement on my load. He actually complimented me because he said, man, you got that stuff secured good. I said, yes sir. But they got a guy in front of me out of service. This guy's out of service. Yeah. It's crazy, man. 2 flats on the semi. I am almost here. This load's about to be done. So I'm gonna show up here, see what they're talking about, get my paperwork signed, and got another one down. Texas, Ohio, and back. Level 1 inspections, the whole 9. Everything went good though. I did get a nice little sticker from the truck. I've been needing that the last couple of times I've got them, they've been out. But I'm gonna do a little post trip, make sure my tires are good, and I'm gonna get down the road, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.